Today we're working with a new food dehydrator. We're going to try to make some dried apples. Now to get started, we've sliced the apples into nice little rings and just placing them around the tray, trying to leave space so air can circulate. That tray is finished, so I'm going to get another tray. Now apples are very thin, so we don't need a very tall stack. The way this works, if you need a tall stack, you place it one way. If you need a thinner stack, you just rotate it 90 degrees and it sits down and get you a nice thin stack. Now it's going to take a while to actually dry the apples. It's probably around 5 or 6 hours. So we're going to keep loading this up and we'll see how it all turns out. Okay, we've stacked apples into all the inner layers, now just finishing up the top layer. And there's room for the air to go around everything. So just like the inner layers, this top stack can either go very high or lower. These apple rings are pretty thin, so it went to the lower ones. Now all we have left to do is turn the on switch on. You can maybe hear a little whir, and it's very quiet and just gently pumps out some slightly warm air. And in 5 or 6 hours we should have dried apples. You can see that they've shrunken. First we turn it back off, and the lid is warm but not terribly hot. It won't burn you. And then as you can see, they're pliable but they're not brittle. And that's how you know they're done.